Minasan, konnichiwa. Welcome to this video and let's go on learning some more kanjis for JLPT N3 from the book Nihongo Soumatome. The first kanji is he. Okay, see this word hijo. It's a very commonly seen word. If you are living in Japan, I'm very sure that you have seen this word at multiple places. This is for emergency. So you might have seen it as hijoguchi. In your house, there might be a switch which is mentioning hijo. In case of emergency, you are supposed to push that switch. Okay. Or in the public restrooms also, I have seen this switch, which is in the case of emergency, in any case of medical emergency, people are supposed to press that switch. Okay. That is hijo, emergency. Then hijo ni is extremely. Okay. It's a slightly different context, hijo ni. And hijoguchi is emergency exit. It will be there in trains, buses, everywhere, emergency exit. Or for the buildings also, apartments also. Okay. See the kanji symbol? He. Okay. Reading as he. Then next kanji from the word hijo. That is, these are the two kanjis. We learned this one. Now the next one is jo. Nichijo is usual or everyday. Nichijo, everyday. Then seijona is normal. Okay, regular normal is seijona. So see this kanji symbol. Both kanjis are very typical. See that there are 8 strokes in this kanji. And see this kanji. This is something like a hat. Okay, you have these 3 strokes here. And this part. This part is there in the kanji of she also. She for city. Okay. This is the kanji of she. It's there. This part is there. You might be knowing the word shiyakusho. Like kuyakusho. Kuyakusho is ward office. Ku is ward. So kuyakusho is ward office. The office for city is city office. Shiyakusho. Then the next one is kai. Kai for floors. Ikkai, nikai, sangai. Okay. That is floors. This is the counter for floors. Okay. See the kanji. It's very typical. This is something like beta. Then this is the kanji of shiroi. Shiro. Okay. Kanji of white. Yes. And this kanji is of something similar to kuraberu, to compare. Okay. This kanji is of kuraberu. This is shiro and this beta. You can split this kanji into 3 parts to remember it. And that is kai. Then next one is dan. Now the second kanji from the word kaidan. Okay. First we have seen hijo. Next we are looking at these 2 kanjis, kai and dan. Kaidan, stairs, staircase. Okay. Dan. Kanji reading as dan. Again, 9 strokes. I would recommend to write this kanji and remember. Okay. Not much complicated, but if you write it few times, it will be better. Then hako. Hako is box. Okay. Hako is box. Here you can see something like, not exactly like tree, but something similar to that. Then these 2 strokes are different. And this is May. May is I. Okay. This is May. And then you can again split this kanji into different parts and try to remember it. Okay. This is hako, that is box. Then ki or abunai. Next 2 kanjis which we are going to learn are ki and ken from the word kiken. Okay. Kiken is danger. It's a na adjective which means danger. Kikenna. Or abunai is also dangerous. Okay. This kanji you can see on some of the chemical products also. Mostly I have seen it on some cleaning liquids which are dangerous. Okay. Having some harmful chemicals. There I have seen this kanji. You can definitely see those bottles. So, ki or abunai, some sprays, okay, which are used for children. There also you can see that it is dangerous. Please be safe while using this product, okay. So, kiken or abunai. Or some construction work is going on and there is a risk of people getting some injuries or hurt, then there will be a board, kiken, okay. Then the next kanji from the word kiken is ken. Again, this beta symbol is there and this part, okay. So kiken is danger. And the last one is suteru. Sutemas is to throw, okay. Sutemas is to throw away. Yes. So right now we have seen, first we started with hijo, he, jo, then kai, dan, okay, hijo, kaidan, hako, then kiken, and suteru. Okay, now let's read these words. Hijoguchi. Okay, hijoguchi, emergency exit. Then hijo kaidan, emergency staircase is hijo kaidan. Gomi wa gomi bakoni. This is a board written here that please throw away garbage in the trash can. Gomi wa gomi bakoni. Now, in this word, this kanji reads as bako and not hako. The word is gomi bako, not gomi hako. Here it reads as bako. This is zujo chui. Now, this is the kanji of head, atama. But this reads as zu in this word, okay? Zujo chui. So, caution, that for overhead caution, okay? You might get hurt, so be careful. Then ashimoto chui. Ashimoto, step. I have heard this word mostly in the context of train, okay. While boarding onto the train, there is a gap between train and platform. Yes, so mostly I've seen that ashimoto ni go chui kudasai. This is the announcement. Ashimoto, footstep. Yes, ashimoto chui. Then abunai and kiken. Now see, this vehicle is carrying some harmful chemicals, say petrol, gas, and so it is kiken. Okay. Gomio suteruna. Don't throw garbage. Suteru, sutemas, to throw. Okay, so revise these kanjis and be ready for the test. See you in the next video.